Hello and welcome to Value Research Podcast. You're listening to First Page, a column written by Virendra Kumar. How to be one up. Peter Lynch's timeless investment wisdom in the modern era. Popular investing trends come and go like seasons, but in all that churn, some figures stand out like monuments. Peter Lynch, the legendary fund manager who turned Fidelity's Magellan Fund into a powerhouse, is one such luminary. His approach to investing wasn't just effective, it was revolutionary in its simplicity and accessibility. Lynch's mantra, invest in what you know, resonates as strongly today as it did when he first uttered those words. In an era of complex algorithms and high-frequency trading, his down-to-earth philosophy serves as a refreshing reminder that the best investment ideas might be hiding in plain sight in our everyday experiences and observations. Decades ago, when I was fresh out of college and had not even started a career, I found a copy of Peter Lynch's One Up on Wall Street. Looking back at the evolution of my ideas about investments, I realized that this was a seminal moment in my life. If this sounds like hyperbole to you, remember that compared to today, information and ideas were scarce resources before the internet. To have access to great ideas was a real differentiator. Moreover, because the mind was not cluttered with the stream of useless factoids that the online world throws at one today, these ideas had the space to take root and flourish. I devoured the Lynch book when I got it, and then over the next few months, read and reread it. In today's info clutter, I might have flipped through it, read its Wikipedia page, and decided that that was enough. Lynch's wisdom was like a beacon in the fog of financial jargon and intimidating market analysis. He demystified the process of stock selection, encouraging readers to look beyond the numbers and see the stories behind companies. His approach was refreshingly democratic. You didn't need a finance MBA or be a professional to be a successful investor. You just needed to be observant, curious, and willing to do your homework. At the time when I read it, One Up on Wall Street was just 2 to 3 years old. Lynch was actually known only for his incredible track record as a fund manager. From 1977 to 1990, while managing the Fidelity Magellan Fund in the US, he generated an annualized return of 29.4%, making it the best performing fund in the world. However, now the nature of his legacy has changed. While that investment performance made Lynch a legend in the world of investments, it is his writings on equity investing that have firmly secured his legacy. Our cover story of Wealth Insight August 2024 issue delves deep into Lynch's book and the investment styles that he describes. Not only do we explain his investment concepts, but our team has also applied his framework to the Indian equity markets. I'm sure some of you will think this to be a bit too old school in today's fast-paced, tech-driven market. However, we believe that Lynch's principles are more relevant than ever. In an age of information overload and hyperactive trading, his emphasis on understanding businesses and spotting opportunities in your own backyard offers a grounding perspective. Moreover, his approach encourages investors to think long-term and resist the temptation of short-term market noise, which is a skill far more valuable than any information about the markets or stock selection techniques. Our cover story is a great read, but I recommend that you see it only as an appetizer. In a magazine, we have space to barely scratch the surface of Lynch's wisdom. His books are treasure troves of investment wisdom that every investor should read.